Everybody say gay.
Yay!
Everybody say gay.
Yay! So, hi guys. It's been a minute since the last time I actually came on camera. My braids are down. Yes, today is the first weekend of June, which means it's the first weekend of Pride Month. Yay!
Noise if you are proud of who you fucking are.
I am getting ready. Today is my friend Adrena's birthday, the one whose baby shower I attended. She's having a dinner, so I'm getting ready for that as well. We're doing that, and then afterwards there is an event that I'm going to attend with two of my other friends this month. I wanted to have a good time with my tribe, if that makes sense. It's kind of like, it's a culture in a sense, because it has its own community and it's something that many people are a part of. I think that's my opinion of culture, but yeah. So I'm going to attend this event. It's a pool party at the Virgin Hotels, but as y'all can see, I don't look pool party nor dinner ready. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm going to run to the hair store and see what I can find. I will insert some pictures of some inspiration right beside me from my Pinterest and as well as my Instagram. If you don't have me on either of those, make sure to follow me on Instagram and Pinterest at Life with She. Basically, I'm going for a summer vibe, but like colorful, bright. I'm also gonna look through what I already have before I go shop, because 9 times out of 10, if I can find something in my closet to use, because I don't want to actually spend the money, but I don't mind spending the money because it's like, if it's on hair, I'm going to end up using it. But my other option is also to wear a wig, which I could do because the temperature is supposed to drop tonight. Speaking of the devil, it's my baby. You look so cute and tan.
Thanks, I've been running outside.
Yes, I've already got my outfit. I guess I can go ahead and show the camera.
Thanks for a party or the pool thing?
Yes.
Are you wearing an actual bathing suit?
No. I'm wearing this.
Cute.
I was just discussing how I was going to style my hair.
Dang, I don't know what I should wear, cause like,
I just think this screams pool party, so I'm wearing this. But it also is like nice enough to wear to a dinner.
Getting in water at all, right?
No, it's gonna be cold tonight. I'm wanting to do my hair like something summery, but I don't want to take my hair out of these braids that I've put them in. So I'm either gonna wear a wig, or I'm gonna do a half wig and wear half of my hair out. That's like my logic. This one's actually kind of cute, but I need it to be a half wig. So I literally just went to one hair store. I'm at another one. The first one didn't have what I was looking for, so fingers crossed that this one has what I need. Okay. Okay guys, so I am heading back home. I got a wig and, well, I got two wigs. I got a half wig and a full wig as backup, just in case if this don't work out. Honestly, I may try the full wig on first just to see if I like it for this occasion. If not, it'll just go in my wig drawer. But I'm thinking this wig will work. I just have to see for myself. It is currently 6:17. I need to be ready by 7, so let's get this show on the road. Okay guys, so I literally bought 1 pack of Outre spray beach curl. Hopefully this is enough hair. I'm assuming it would be enough hair. I'm gonna fluff it up anyway. What I am doing is crocheting this, just a few pieces into my little braids that I have. Braid this at the root like that. Just like that. And I'm gonna continue to do this to each one. So now I'm just braiding these, and then I'm going to Bantu knot this. Alright, I'm just taking a small ponytail holder and I'm literally just tying this around. There we go. Alright, same thing to this section. If you can see my vision, I hope it's coming along. I just literally needed something to make my hair look thicker because my hair is so fine.
You think you're gonna be ready in 20 minutes?
I should be.
Okay.
Alright, so now that that's done, I'm gonna break this up.
Your hair's gonna be cute.
I'm praying because, bitch, I done took the time to do this. It better fucking turn out right.
I said, do you think we're gonna stay out till 2?
I don't know. It just depends on the vibe of the place. Like, I mean, if I'm not feeling it, I'm definitely not gonna stay. But at the same time, it just depends on. So this is the wig I'm using, guys. It's amber. I actually think I used to have a wig that looked like this a long time ago, but I threw it away. I'm gonna. The vision is coming together.
Oh, that's cute.
I'm praying that I don't pull my hair out though in the process. Okay, I had to tie these bitches on the tightest settings for this to cooperate. Or maybe I could put it on backwards. Will that? I think that may help it. So my hair is way too fine for me to secure this comb in my hair. And by the way, I flipped the wig over because it looked better backwards. So this is the back of the wig for proof. There's literally the drawstrings and the back clip. Okay. This is so cute. Definitely a vibe. And you can't see any tracks. And I think the back probably needs to be secured just a smidge more with another bobby pin. Okay, now that my hair is done, I literally have like all of maybe 10 minutes to do a face. I've got to literally take all this off and get dressed. So I'll be back after I get dressed. Okay guys, so here is the look. Oh, I didn't shave my armpits. Oh, fucking well. If somebody's looking at my armpits, fuck them. You shouldn't be looking at them anyway. Okay. I think I'm good. Earrings. Earrings. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go. All right, guys, I'll see you later. My outfit, I love it. Casually late, as always. I'm wearing sandals because I'm about to be outside. So, I've made it downtown. As you can see, views are here. But, I'm late per usual. So, I'm about to head to this dinner.
Gorgeous.
Thank you. Cute little pink drink. It's not even pink on camera. I'm so sick. Oh, this is good.
I
feel like I should have done the Logan mask as well. I just did regular mask.
This looks so freaking yummy. Your asparagus is devoured.
All I know is these potatoes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dream.
On the park bench, you know.
My girlies. Love it. You look so cute. Uh-huh. Thank you. Guys, get in here.
Let's look right here.
Ah!
What the? What is?
Oh my God! Okay, here we go.
I was not ready. What?
That's no.
Oh.
Okay.
This is so bad.
Come on. One more. Oh, I think I opened my eyes. Come on. This is a vibe. Yes. You got it? I'm recording you. Hi.
Can everybody say gay?
Yay!
Everybody say gay!
Yay!
I'm so fucking excited to be here. Can y'all make some noise for my co-host from Woody and Jim in the morning? It's Zach Woodward!
Yes, honey.
Okay.
Come on.
Noise if you are proud of who you fucking are! Thank you everybody so much for coming out to Bath & Body. This was just a little baby vision about a year ago when I came here on a road trip, and it's happy to see all your beautiful faces here. Your gay ass faces. So thank you so much. Don't forget to donate to Oasis. We have the 4-digit number which you're gonna say 26989. Alright, so don't forget that if you guys want to donate. They're helping a lot of queer kids here down in Nashville and Middle Tennessee. Thank you so much and happy Pride.
I love it. I don't know. I do. Hey, you're still here.
Honey, no, we're virtually.
Where's the bathroom? You have a sister, don't you?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. I used to be in Saving Our Daughters with your sister.
Kara?
Yes.
Yeah.
I was like, he looks familiar. It's nice to see you, Shiana.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Guitars.
Plants. Beautiful birds. Birds of paradise, baby. Birds of paradise.
Her and her plants.
It's a beautiful bird.
It definitely looks like a bird.
I love her. It's a bird of paradise.
I know, I heard you.
Making it up.
I heard you. I'm adding this to the video.
Vloggers love me.
Are we vlogging?
Are we vlogging? Oh, that's a bad thing. Hello, bad bitches. Hi.
Y'all have a good night. Happy Pride.
Happy Pride. And now we're closing out Nashville. What are y'all doing? My titties look
The night is over. Peace out, guys.
Imagine not closing out Nashville. Losers.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
See you. Look, say see you in my next video.
See you in the next video.
Bye, biatches.
Yeah.
Hit the limbo.